Hi, my name is Sahil Sudhakar Wadekar. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Recently, I done a Bachelor's of Engineering degree from Shivajirao Jondhale College of Engineering, Mumbai. After that, I just know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd company, which my friend referred me to enroll in that company for various courses for a job. After that, I enrolled in networking course and starting my learning journey. And after that, we know about what is the actually networking, the various types of concept, and learn about in that course, and how to practically do that, how to solve particular problems, and what actually need in a industry that all teach in Evision Technoserve company. And after that, I got a job in Precision Group. This is very good journey where I learn about networking and all things. And especially, I want to thank to Priya ma'am, Ganesh sir, and Anamika ma'am to guide me in a good direction for get a job. So thank you for very much for this.